Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my weekly cleaning routine, but I'll also show you what my boys do on a weekly basis so we can all keep the house nice and clean. But before we get started, if you're new here, I just want to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I make videos on cleaning, organizing, and also lifestyle videos. So if that's your sort of thing, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. All right, let's get started. So about once a week, I like to give our bathroom a deep cleaning. So I'll go ahead and clean off the mirrors. And then on the inside of the shower, I will use the Method bathroom cleaner. This is awesome for soap scum. I'll spray it on the inside of my shower doors as well as the tile, and then just give that a good scrub. And then I'll just rinse down any of the cleaner just so it doesn't leave a residue. And then after that, I like to go over it with my squeegee, and then the glass looks so nice afterwards.
Oh, we're living in the present.
For the toilets, I like to use the Method anti-bac spray, and then for the inside, I use their toilet bowl cleaner.
But our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we lose. Don't know what will last. Yeah. The things you always dare to dream. Oh, are not always what they seem.
And if you saw my daily cleaning routine, you know that I don't really use any cleaners on my countertops. I only use them about once a week when I do my thorough cleaning. And I always use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. I love this stuff. It smells so good. And I will link down below where you can get a free bottle of this as well as a bunch of other Mrs. Meyer's products for free in the description box below. So once a week, my boys will do all of their laundry. They usually do it all in one day. And this is a task that they do pretty much independently. I will make sure that they don't overstuff my machine. And I will also make sure that they change the lint trap. So while they're using the machines, I'm usually there to make sure that it's getting done properly. But for the most part, they do this stuff all on their own.
Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine.
Another thing my boys do on a weekly basis is vacuum their playroom. It is a fairly large playroom, so it's something they do together, taking turns. One will hold something so the other can vacuum under it, and vice versa. But this is their space, and it's kind of their responsibility to make sure it stays clean. Moving on into the kitchen, I like to clean my stainless steel appliances about once a week, and I like to use vinegar and almond oil, which I will link my spray bottle and my almond oil down below. It's also really good for your skin if you have really dry skin, so I highly suggest checking out almond oil. It does a great job for many different things.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily.
Once a week, I also like to use the Method Anti-Bac to go ahead and do the light switches and the door handles just to kind of help combat colds and sicknesses in the house. And I also like to give our garbage can a quick spray down around the sides. It tends to get really dirty and it's white, so it's really noticeable. So once a week, I will go ahead and just wipe that down. Sometimes more often than that, but at least once a week. In In the living room, I like to use these microfiber cloths to give a dry dusting to my TV, but then I will also use the same cloth and go ahead and do a wet dusting on my TV stand. I absolutely love these microfiber cloths. They're really big, so you can kind of keep folding them and using them for quite a while before you feel like you have to toss it in the washer. So I can get a lot of dusting done with just one cloth. And I will also use it to disinfect my remotes. I'll leave a link down below because they were super inexpensive and I think I got like 3 of them in a pack. Next, I will vacuum my couch because it is a brown couch. It tends to show a lot of like lint and debris. And with 3 kids, that stuff accumulates like crazy. So I try to really get this done once a week. We also have a dog, so I'll go ahead and make sure to vacuum my throw pillows as well.
Worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.
In the bedroom, I clean our nightstands and our dresser, and I use the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner in the mint scent. That one's my favorite. All of our nightstands and dressers have glass tops, so that's why I use the glass cleaner.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.
And one thing I make sure to do once a week is to vacuum and mop, and that's because this is not part of my daily routine. I typically do not vacuum or mop throughout the week. I will vacuum the kitchen a little more frequently, but for the most part, the house does not get vacuumed or mopped except once a week. I am looking into buying like a cordless vac and a squirt mop just so that I can maintain it a little better throughout the week, but as of right now, your girl does not vacuum or mop all the time. All right, guys, before I go, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post new cleaning and organizing videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.